Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui HK416 Delta. These are all back in stock now, so finally, lots of these, and obviously a very popular model. So we're able to fulfill some of these pre-orders now, which is good. Get these all built through. This particular one is a level 10, and we've built it with a sort of more conservative, on customer request, 341 on 2s and 254 on 3.2s. And we've got like I say, the level 10 package. So we've got the gate. So it's the Eagle 6 M90 spring. We've got the Psionic ARL kit number 6 with the 275mm barrel. We've got the 6mm bearings. We've got the NGRS 20-to-1 Prometheus gears. We've got the Eagle 6 upgraded recoil spring for a harder recoil kick. We've got the FPS spring guide, the Prometheus piston heads. We've got the carbon fiber FPS piston. We've got the FPS cylinder head. We have the stainless steel FPS cylinder. We've got the FPS air nozzle. We've got the Prometheus conversion kit into the stock here so that you can fit normal batteries. We've got the like I say, we've obviously done the full build. Just a few extra ones, which are just to clarify. We've also got the Prometheus anti-reverse latch. We've got the laylax trigger pin. We've got the gate basic, if I haven't already mentioned that. We've got the Warhead high-speed motor. We've got the FPS tappet plate. We've got the Lonex spiral gear set in this one. You know, with the spiral pinion gear as well. So that's fit to the Warhead motor, which is always fun desoldering that. So yeah, hopefully it's fully laden. It's obviously nice trigger response, quiet, and we'll just demonstrate it working now for you. So it's currently shooting on 3.2s in the mag. Ignore my crappy mag there. There we go, so all tested and working. We're going to get this posted out to you today. We did have a small jamming issue the other day, which has set things back a bit, but effectively when the hot rod was a bit too tight on the heavier ammos, as we changed out to the TM hot rubber rather than the Psionic one, and that seemed to resolve the issue, but it did lower FPS, so we then had to change the spring to a higher spring, basically, so which that's the Eagle 6 one, but that's only going to help the issue and help the problem, as in stop potential lockups and jams, because obviously the stronger spring will return the piston quicker, therefore obviously you have less chance of the gears effectively catching up the piston. But yeah, that was a bit of fun and games, but then that's why we test, to make sure, and obviously this one has obviously gone through, so hopefully no problems, and like I say, it's quality control doing its job, and yeah, we look forward to getting this to you. Also, we'll put the full description in the one for the video, for the YouTube description, so that will be the full list, and I'm going to be double checking invoices now and just seeing if there's anything remaining to pay, and then hopefully we can get this sent out to you. So, But yeah, we hope you enjoy. Thank you.